Hey, it's Dr. Cadle. I'm back again, and today we're going to continue our series on the most commonly asked questions that chiropractors get. So today's question, again, very, very commonly asked, and one that honestly a lot of chiropractors don't like answering is chiropractic safe? Are you going to hurt me? Does chiropractic cause strokes? Etc., all of the above. Basically, people want to know, when I adjust your neck, am I going to cause a stroke? So let me give you some background about what generally happens in these cases, because they're out there and they're very publicized, I think, because they don't happen that often, and also chiropractors aren't in the news that often either. So usually what happens when a chiropractic adjustment is associated with a stroke is that somebody is talking about a vertebral artery stroke. And what's important to understand about that is that when somebody's having a vertebral artery stroke, some of the most common early symptoms of that stroke is headaches and neck pain. And what are some of the most common reasons that you would go to a chiropractor? Well, it's headaches and neck pain. So in most cases, that person is already having a stroke when they walk through the door of that chiropractor's office. Now, it's the chiropractor's job to identify that and not adjust them and send them to the hospital, but unfortunately, sometimes they miss it due to whatever reason. They adjust that person, then later the person goes to a hospital, and what the hospital sees is person went to chiropractor, person showed up with a stroke, so the adjustment must have caused the stroke, when in fact that isn't true. So it's on us to do a good job of clearing out any of those red flags before we adjust somebody. But the reality is that most of the time, it's likely that that person was already having a stroke when they came in the office. So that's the big part of it. Are there other common injuries that could potentially happen with a chiropractic adjustment? Sure. To be completely honest, there's risk with any type of medical procedure. But the way that I like to look at it is our insurance, whatever it is, our home insurance, our car insurance, flood insurance on a home, the cost of that insurance is based on how likely it is that the insurance company has to pay out a claim. So basically, the less likely it is, the less expensive the insurance is. Well, I, for instance, have a $4 million malpractice policy that costs me less than $500 a year. So in the insurance company's mind, for a very, very small cost, they're willing to give me a massive amount of coverage, and that's purely based on statistics and how likely it is that they think that I'm going to injure somebody. And this is for somebody like me that's administering literally thousands of adjustments a year, and for less than $500, I can get a $4 million policy. In all reality, is there a risk to anything? Yes. But when you look at the statistics, it's probably more likely that you get in a wreck on the way to my office than for me to actually injure you with an adjustment. There's gray area with everything, and this is a conversation that really could take 10 or 15 minutes to kind of flesh out, but I wanted to address it because I promised that I would address it. So if you have any more questions, or if you want me to clarify things or give a link to the study that I referenced, I'm happy to do that. I hope that this process is teaching you some stuff and answering questions that you maybe had. So please share it. And like I said, if you have questions or comments, leave a comment below, like the video. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you next time.